children. Good afternoon, everyone. So yesterday we learned food for plants. How the food will prepare from the plants. How we will get food with the help of what? First, how with the water food making from the plants we have. That is the picture photosynthesis I have drawn for you and shown for you for the example. Next, leaf also. From the leaf, role of leaf. What is the role of leaf? This diagram also I have drawn. After that, how we will get food, how the plants will get from water. Example, it may be here the process of making food by green leaves. Okay, in the presence of sunlight is known as photosynthesis. With the presence of sunlight, it is making the food from the green leaves. That is known as photosynthesis. What is a stomata? From where it will get next chlorophyll. What is meant by chlorophyll? Containing cells. This have yesterday we learned. How do plants use their food? So till chlorophyll, water, stomata we have learned. Here, next here, how do plants use their food? How they will use their food? Okay, with the help of cellulose. Next, after that, here some fruits and vegetable I have wrote on the blackboard for you. Spinach, carrot, mango, sugarcane, potato, peas. These are the pictures given. I have written the answers also. Here, now we are going now next to formative assessment. That is, here he has shown in the practical. So in the online classes I can't show practical, just I will explain you. So just with the help of a diagram I will explain you. Okay, so first I will take one leaf, green leaf. So first I will take one green leaf. So here it is a green leaf I am taking here. So everyone know what is meant by leaf. So I am taking here green leaf. So here he is telling to boil the leaf in water. Once I will read this, to test a leaf of a starch. Starch means you know everyone. To test ante tanu ఈ స్టార్చ్ అనేది ఆ యొక్క లీఫ్లో ఎలా ప్రజెంట్ ఉంటుంది, సో ఏం చేస్తే పోతుంది అనే ఒక డయాగ్రామ్ ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చారు. సో ఎలా ప్రజెన్స్ ఉంటుందో టెస్ట్ చేసి చూద్దాం స్టార్చ్ ఎలా ఉంటుందో టిల్ నౌ. సో టేక్ ఏ గ్రీన్ లీఫ్ అండ్ డిప్ ఇట్ ఇన్ ద బాయిల్డ్ వాటర్. సో ఈస్ టెలింగ్ టు టేక్ ఏ లీఫ్, గ్రీన్ లీఫ్ అండ్ డిప్ ఇన్ టు ద బాయిల్డ్ వాటర్. బాయిల్డ్ వాటర్ మీన్స్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ నో వాట్ ఈస్ మీన్ బై బాయిల్డ్ వాటర్. అంటే వేడి నీళ్ళలో ఈ యొక్క లీఫ్ని వేయమని చెప్తున్నాడు. సో డిప్ అంటే ఇందులో వేసేయమని చెప్తున్నాడు బాయిల్డ్ వాటర్లో. దిస్ ఈజ్ గ్రీన్ లీఫ్, దిస్ ఈజ్ బాయిల్ ద లీఫ్ ఇన్ వాటర్. After that, boil the leaf in alcohol. Alcohol means we know. In the alcohol also he is telling to boil. So here he is keeping the alcohol and again he is keeping the leaf here. So here he is again in the alcohol he is boiling the leaf. So after that, wash. So wash. He is telling to wash the leaf in water. So here it is there water, here it is leaf. Next, put. So put iodine. You know what is meant by iodine? Solution. Iodine. So here is asking to put iodine solution for this. So here first I will explain you deeply. Take a green leaf and dip into it in the boiled water for a minute to kill the cells. So he is asking to take a green leaf. ఒక గ్రీన్ ఆకుని తీసుకొని బాయిల్డ్ వాటర్లో ఒక జస్ట్ మినిట్కి బాయిల్ చేయమని చెప్తుండు. దాని తర్వాత తీసేయమని చెప్తుండు. సో ఏ మినిట్ కిల్ ద సెల్స్. సో ఈ యొక్క ఆకులో సెల్స్ అనేటివి దే విల్ కిల్స్. నెక్స్ట్, బాయిల్ ద లీఫ్ ఇన్ ఆల్కహాల్. ఆల్కహాల్లో అగైన్ ఇవి బాయిల్ చేశారు. సో ఆఫ్టర్ యాజ్ షోన్ ఇన్ ద ఫిగర్ టిల్ ఇట్ బికమ్స్ పెయిల్ వైట్. సో ఎలా బాయిల్ చేశారంటే పెయిల్ వైట్ కలర్లో అయ్యే వరకు ఈ ఆల్కహాల్లో బాయిల్ చేశారంట. సో ద ఆల్కహాల్ విల్ డిజాల్వ్ ద క్లోరోఫిల్ అండ్ ద లీఫ్ విల్ లూజ్ ఇట్ గ్రీన్ కలర్. సో ఇక్కడ నేను మీకు కనపడట్లేదు. సో ఈ యొక్క ఆల్కహాల్లో బాయిల్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఇక్కడ ఎల్లో కలర్లో ఉంది, బట్ ఇక్కడ ఎల్లో కలర్ వెళ్ళిపోయి పెయిల్ వైట్ కలర్ వచ్చింది. నెక్స్ట్ వాష్ ద లీఫ్ ఇన్ వాటర్ టు రిమూవ్ ఆల్కహాల్. సో ఇక్కడ ఆల్కహాల్ రిమూవ్ చేయడానికి మనం వాటర్లో వాష్ చేసాం. నెక్స్ట్ హీస్ ఆస్కింగ్ టు వాష్. స్ప్రెడ్ ద లీఫ్ ఇన్ ద డిష్ అండ్ pour iodine soil. సో హీస్ టెల్లింగ్ టు కీప్ ఇన్ అ వాటర్, డిష్లో పెట్టేసి అయోడిన్ సొల్యూషన్ని హీస్ టు మొత్తం దానిపైన వేసేయమని చెప్తుంది. ఇఫ్ ద స్టార్స్ ఈజ్ ప్రజెంట్ ఇన్ ద లీఫ్ ఈజ్ టర్న్ ఇన్ టు బ్లూ కలర్. ఎ లీఫ్ వితౌట్ స్టార్ విల్ షో బ్రౌన్ కలర్. సో ఇట్ హ్యాస్ టర్న్ విచ్ కలర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ టర్న్ నౌ? బ్రౌన్ కలర్లో ఉంటే సో ఏమని చెప్తున్నాడు? ఆ స్టార్స్ అంటే అందులో ఇంకా స్టార్ ప్రజెంట్ ఉంటే బ్లూ కలర్లో ఉంటుందంట. ఒకవేళ స్టార్స్ వితౌట్ స్టార్ అది లేకపోతే బ్రౌన్ కలర్లో వస్తుందంట. సో హియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ విచ్ కలర్ నౌ? ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ ద విచ్ కలర్? blue color, no, not brown color. So it is in the blue color. For me it is looking a blue color. So the starch is present now. Okay, so this is the one of the experiment here given. So for me it is looking like a blue, but it is not looking like a brown. It is looking like black color. So here iodine has been poured. So the leaf has been here starch or not, it is shown in the figure. So it is a leaf as present here now. Starch is present now. So here he is asking to write your observation what you have seen here. Okay, next formative assessment. To show the chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis, what we have to take? Pluck a leaf from the cellulose plant, leaves having green color proteins which has been kept in the sunlight for a few hours, making the across drawing the leaf showing. See here he is asking to keep a cellulose leaf in the showing the green color patches. After that now perform the starch testing described in the activity 1. So activity 1 he is asking to the describe the strains or drawing here. The green part of a leaf will show starch forming. So green color part, ikkada ee green color part anedi ikkada brown color undi, ikkada ledu, ikkada present undani cheptunna iodine test. So this also has been completed. Now the showing the flower. Now to show that the carbon dioxide is necessary in photosynthesis. Photosynthesis lo carbon dioxide is necessary ani etla chupiyali ani malli inkokati formative assessment he given. Take a potted plant with a long leaves. He is asking to take a potted leaves with a here with a pot leaves. So next, keep the plant in a dark discharge it instant half a position of it leaves through the split crock in the wide mouthed bottle which contain potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide absorbs carbon dioxide. Leaves are present. Leaves of a plant in sunlight. After a few hours, test it in a leaf from the starch. The portion of the leaf inside the bottle does not become blue with the iodine showing that carbon dioxide is necessary. So here he is asking to take a so carbon dioxide is necessary with the help of the sunlight. If you keep in the dark place, it will not get the we will not get the here it will not present the carbon dioxide. So compulsory it is necessary for the sunlight to carbon dioxide. Next, here also same formative assessment is there once again. Here to show the sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. Sunlight is necessary ante sunlight compulsory. ikkada etlago carbon dioxide necessary undo ikkada kuda ivanni necessary annamata, ante avasram. ikkada sunlight enta avasramo chuddam. Keep it in the dark. So take a potted plant last sum and cover one of its leaves on the upper and lower side. Upper and lower side is telling to black paper to cover the leaf. After about 24 hours, remove the cover leaf. So after 24 hours is asking to remove the cover of the leaf. Next, and one more leaf from the plant. Apply iodine on both. So again he is asking to take one more leaf iodine, keeping both the sides. The portion of the leaf of leaf that was covered with black paper and did not receive sunlight does not turn blue black in the color during iodine test, but the other leaf has changed its color. It's shown that the leaf covered with black paper did not contain stars. Here he is asking Seema. Here he is pouring the iodine, so it is not contain the starch. Here also it is became black, so it is also not contain the starch. So here also with the help of sunlight only it will be get very. So it contains when it is not containing the starch. Enduku ante because here the sunlight is necessary. It is compulsory to the leaves. Here also you are looking here it became black. So here it is not having the sunlight. So he covered with the he tested with the iodine test. Okay. So here he covered with the paper. Next he poured the iodine. This is the another one. First one, keep in dark, kept in separate, leaf of covered with black paper, green leaf, iodine test. So next again to show oxygen. Here oxygen to prove. First we have proved that starch. Next carbon dioxide. ఇక్కడ photosynthesis again necessary. Chlorophyll. తర్వాత వచ్చేసి photosynthesis necessary and the sunlight కోసం. తర్వాత ఇప్పుడు లాస్ట్ వచ్చేసి oxygen. Oxygen, you know what is meant by oxygen. So place some water plants hydrilla in a breaker container, pound water and cover them with a funnel. Invert a test tube full of water over the stem of a funnel as shown in the figure. Place the apparatus in the sun for a few hours. Bubbles of a gas will collect in the test tube. Test the gas in the test tube. The gas support burning. This shows the presence of oxygen. Here he asking to take a here funnel. This is the hydrilla plant. So this beaker, air bubbles he is keeping and the sun is there. So here gas is going on. So when he put it down of the hydrilla plant, the bubbles will go and the gas come out. So this is the one of the oxygen is present in this hydrilla plant. So here again we are going to the lesson. So here formative assessments as there. So many are there, 4 or 5 are there that I explained once on the blackboard and I explained practically for you. Practically I can't explain for you, so I explained with the just telling from the lesson, taking from the lesson. So non-green plants are, everyone know what is meant by non-green plants. What is meant by non-green plants? Non-green plants. Non-green plants అంటే గ్రీన్ పచ్చదనం లేని యొక్క చెట్లు. Mushrooms and moths are non-green plants. Mushrooms, moths. Moths are non-green plant. Mushrooms అంటే మీకు తెలుసు పుట్ట గొడుగులు. Moths అంటే ఇట్లా పెరుగుతాయి, డెడ్ ఆఫ్ స్కిన్ అండ్ cactus, cotton. So these 4 are non-green plants. This is non-green plants. No, it is green plants. Okay. These are mullu చెట్లు. We will call mullu. Cactus. Okay. They cannot make their food. They get their food from the dead and decaying plants. So they do not have chlorophyll. So these plants they don't have. These are non-green plants. They don't have chlorophyll. ఈ యొక్క చెట్లకి క్లోరోఫిల్ ఉండదు. సో ఈ యొక్క ఎట్లా పెరుగుతాయి అంటే ఈ మష్రూమ్స్ మోల్స్ చనిపోయిన ఒక డెడ్ స్కిన్స్ యానిమల్స్ ఉంటాయి, జస్ట్ ప్రజెన్స్ ఆఫ్ యానిమల్స్ ఇఫ్ నాట్ ఎనీ యానిమల్స్ అవి దానిపైన పెరుగుతాయి అన్నమాట. మష్రూమ్స్, నాట్స్, క్యాక్టస్ ప్లాంట్స్ cotton also some plants like cactus do not have leaves. They don't have leaves. Cactus, they make their food in the soft green stem. So here it is a green stem is there. With the help of that only they will make their food. There are some colored plants which have hidden green color. For example, the cotton plant has leaf which appears dark red. So here cotton plant is there. It appears reddish stem. Okay, the dark red color substance hide in this green color. So in this it has been hide అని అంటే ఇది మూసుకుపోయింది దేంతో ఈ ఒక రెడిష్ కలర్తో. నెక్స్ట్ సో hide the green color of a chlorophyll. Thus the food is prepared in the leaves such as plants by unusual process of photosynthesis. It will be prepared by the leaves. So here we have completed till these. Okay, so children, once again you also go through the formative assessment. Okay, ఈ యొక్క formative assessment మీరు కూడా చదవండి. You do practical, మీరు ప్రాక్టికల్గా చేయండి. సో ఇది కూడా వెరీ ఈజీ, ప్రాక్టికల్స్ చేస్తే మీకు ఇంకా మంచిగా అర్థమవుతుంది. ఇన్ ద ప్రీవియస్ క్లాసెస్ ఐ హ్యావ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్డ్ యూ బై బ్రింగింగ్ ద లీఫ్, దిస్ ఆల్ ఐ హ్యావ్ బ్రాట్. ఐ టోల్డ్ యూ టు ఓన్లీ బ్రింగ్ previous 4th class they brought, I have explained deeply with the help of leaves. So this one I did do, this leaves I have did. So now mushrooms, plants, what is non-green plants we have read till here, we have completed. So tomorrow this one I will explain, interdependence of plants and animals. I will explain you this one as well as this lesson I will complete tomorrow. See children, once go through the formative assessment practically cheyandi. Please do practically. Once take the leaves, it is a very simple thing. It is a very simple thing. You can do very simple way. You can do very simple way by taking the leaves. ఇక్కడ ఎక్కువ ఏ లీవ్స్ లేవు, ఇక్కడ ఈజీ లీవ్సే ఉన్నాయి. You can take any leaf and test it into the whatever the formative assessment. How he tested with iodine, it may be boiled water. Okay, listen carefully and do any work, do work and read text books. Go through text book very well. అంటే టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ చదవండి రోజు. ఇంకొకటి మీకు హార్డ్ వర్డ్స్ అనేవి ఒకటి సైడ్కి తీసుకొని కీవర్డ్స్, హార్డ్ వర్డ్స్ ఏమైనా రాని ఉంటే కూడా మీరు సైడ్కి రాసుకొని టేక్ యువర్ హెల్ప్ అండ్ మేక్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ డౌట్స్. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ children to listen my lesson carefully.